Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it.
So guys, today I have a treat for you. I am reviewing a unit by OMGHerHair. Now, they were on my top 5 vendor list, but it seems like I haven't reviewed a unit from them in a while. So I'm really interested in seeing what they sent me. It's been a minute. I can't remember. So first things first, they do send one of these glueless wig bands that has the Velcro and the lace. So this is for you guys who like to wear this instead of putting any adhesive on your unit. This should work very well. Actually, I've been wanting one of these because I refused to buy one. I had a regular one before they came out with the lace one, and I just didn't feel like paying for one with the lace. What else they got here? The HD wig cap. Not really sure what this is. An adjustable elastic band and a comb. Let's look at the wig. Okay, I remember now. So this is what they call the 𝐒𝐯𝐝. To me, it's very reminiscent of kinky straight. I'm not really sure what's the difference between 𝐒𝐯𝐝 and kinky straight. But what I do like about it is the fact that it has color. You guys see this? Yes, I love it. It's a nice ombre color, perfect for fall. So this is the hairline straight out the box. And look at those knots. Okay. I'm loving this. I don't know if it's a 13x4, 13x6. It might be a 13x6. Whatever it is, I'll have it across the screen. And you have your standard 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. Okay, so I went ahead and I added the adjustable elastic band. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like after I added the elastic band. This unit fits my head really snug. So snug, I'm not even sure I'm going to use any adhesive to glue it down because I really don't need to. But what I am going to do is get these kinks out of this hair and get it ready for the install. Let's go. Let me go ahead and cut the lace. Now, guys, I don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I recently started trading in the stock market. So I've been investing so much time in learning and just kind of like getting in there and doing it. And since I'm on the West Coast, that requires that I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. So needless to say, your girl is tired. That's why you see me with my PJs on. Guess where I'm going after this? You guessed it, to sleep. Now, y'all see how easy that was? I don't know why y'all be tripping about having y'all lace pre-cut. Cutting the lace has never been anything that's hard. It might be psychological, though. All you gotta do is take a scissor and then add a little swag to it. Turn it up. Turn it up a little while you cut and you good. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use some of this tinted mousse and just kind of apply this to the hairline to help this stay down on the sides because the front is really snug, as I mentioned, so it really doesn't need much. I'm really just a creature of habit. I'm just used to always tying my units down, so regardless of whether or not it needs to be tied down, I'm going to tie it down. And I used this mousse last week, and I really like it. I think it's a really good color match. Well, at least it was for the last unit. Let's see. Okay, so while that sets, I'm going to go ahead and I want to cut some layers in the front of this unit. Y'all know I always say hair just looks better with layers. I'm going to take this razor comb. It makes it a lot easier to cut layers in your units. You can get these from off of Amazon. If you guys want, I'll link it in the description box with everything else. And I wanted to start around my chin. So I'm just take the scissor and I'm going to take the part that has the smaller teeth. And I'm going to come to my chin and then just start pulling down. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Nice light layers. Nothing too crazy and super beginner friendly. Dolls, so this is what the unit is looking like. As you guys can see, this hairline is very nice and it's glueless. As you can see, the lace is not glued down, but it's laying pretty nicely. I do like this color. I've never reviewed a color like this that was kinky. Well, I say kinky straight, but they say, what is it called again? 𝐒𝐯𝐝. I don't know. My boyfriend would say same difference, which in itself doesn't make sense. Because if it's different, how is it the same? But whatever. 𝐒𝐯𝐝, kinky straight, whatever you want to call it. It's going to give you this African American natural texture. It's semi-lightweight. It's not really too dense. As you can see, the curls are not really holding up that well, even though I do use a big barrel curling iron. So the curls are loose to begin with, but it does look like, actually, it's probably a little too early for me to tell. I'll keep you guys posted with that. As for shedding, I haven't gotten any shedding with this unit or tangling as of yet. Let me show you guys the parting space. I forgot to show you the parting space. And let me turn around real quick so you can see what it looks like from the back. And dolls, even though I didn't glue it down, I can still push this to wear it behind my ear if I want to. I'm going to also put it up in an updo so you can get an idea on different ways you can style it. Even though this is not a 360 unit, you do have that flexibility. Okay, so y'all know I had to go ahead and just put in a side part. I really was not going to. I had no intentions. But I took it down from the ponytail and I was just like, let me go try the side part. So I will upgrade the curling status to a little bit better than I thought it was, because I definitely combed through this hair to put it in that ponytail. And it still got a little bit of curls left. Not really, not much, but it's still a little. So I'll give them the credit for that. I didn't want to put in the side part because I knew I was going to like it more. And I've been keeping all my wigs. And guys, I can't keep every wig, but I be wanting to. This color is beautiful. I love it. And I don't have nothing this color. So I'll be thinking about that one. But I will tell you that I did not receive any shedding or tangling with this unit. You guys already saw what the parting space looked like. It's OMGHerHair. I feel really confident with their product. I think they have a nice price point for the quality that you receive. And yeah, anything else that you guys want to know, just ask in the comment section down below. And if there's anything you want to see me featured in my videos or highlighted in my videos, be sure and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below, along with the name for this unit, because y'all know y'all gonna need to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Be sure and leave that in the comment section down below as well. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'd love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out this video? You might enjoy it as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.